Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Finneon from Pokemon. We're going to be drawing this character from the side. So let's start at the top left of our page with the top fins. Starting down here, start from the base of the fin, we're going to curve up and then over towards the right. Now we're going to go back down towards the bottom, we're going to curve in the opposite direction, going across and then up towards the top. Let's layer a second fin in behind. Starting from the base, curve out and back up. Now I'm just going to pull this down in behind the top fin. Curve around and then down. Now these fins are going to overlap the top of the body. So from the base we're going to step up, we're going to curve across and then down towards the front of the head. Now we're going to continue this curve in behind the fin, going out and then down. Now we're going to go back to the front and draw in the lower part of the body. So we're going to draw a curve, but we're going to leave a gap along the bottom. Curve down, then across. Now we're going to overlap the bottom fin. From here we're going to step up, curve down and out towards the right. Let's go back to the top, we're going to curve in the opposite direction, going out and then down. Now let's connect these 2 points with a slight curve going around. Now we're going to continue the curve of the lower body in behind the fin. So we'll start on the right side, curve out. Now we're going to pull that up, leaving a gap on the back side. Let's draw on the back of the tail. Starting from this point, we're going to curve up and out towards the right, towards the top of the fin. Now I'm going to pull this down and then in. We're going to round out the bottom of the fin. From the outside, we're going to curve around. I'm just going to pull that in to right about there. I'm going to add another smaller half circle tucked in behind the body. So starting out here, curve down and up underneath the body. Let's add a small oval on the inside. Starting from the top, drawing that oval. Now we're going to go to the top and draw a larger oval in a slight angle. So we start at the top, come down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw another fin tucked in behind the body. So from the base of this fin, we're going to step over, curve out, and back over towards the right. Now I'm going to just pull this back in, just like we did along the bottom here. Curve down towards the bottom. Now I'm just going to round out the outside of the fin, curving out, and tuck that in behind. Now we're going to draw another large oval on the inside. Starting from the outside edge of this fin, curve to the top, round this out, and then tuck that back in. Now we're going to move back to the front of the head and draw on the eye. So right here we're going to draw an oval. Starting from the top, we'll go way around to the bottom, and then back up towards the top. On the top left, we're going to add a small circle just up against the edge of the eye. This is for the highlight. Now we'll draw a smaller oval in the center, just underneath the highlight. So we'll start at the bottom, curve around to the bottom, and then back up towards the top. We're going to fill that pupil in black. Now let's add a trim across the center of the body. Starting from the tip of the nose, we're going to go across, in behind the eye. Now we're going to go to the right side of the eye. We're going to curve out and up towards the top base of the fin. Now from the nose, we're going to step up and draw that same curve, going in behind the eye, and we're going to continue on the back, all the way up towards the top of the body. Now we're going to add a point on the outside of the eye. Starting from the top of this line, we're going to angle down and out towards the right, angle down towards the base of that line. And then the last thing we're going to do is add the mouth on the left side here, curve across and then up. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Finneon from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.